This is Jim Empter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for June 12, 2020. Corn market on Friday up a quarter, beans up 5 1/4, Chicago wheat up 2 3/4, Minneapolis steady, Kansas City up 1 1/2 on the week. Corn down 1 1/4, soybeans up 3 1/2, Chicago wheat down 13 1/4, Minneapolis down 5 1/2. Kansas City down 12 3/4. So a market that's still trying to build. We got by the crop report this week. We're looking at circumstances right now where if we can get above 331 and sustain it, we've been able to trade above it, but we have not got that significant close 2 days in a row to really confirm it. But if we do, really around this 346 into the mid 355 near 360 level are really kind of the areas of interest to zone into. So hopefully we can get that done next week and start building off of it. Weather going to be a key focal point as we start that. Bean market is activating some price counts. It's just a matter of really kind of confirming them. We'd really like to see the trade above 885 in the new crop November beans, and then we'd be looking at to the tune of upside counts at 920, 950, and 1004. Obviously focusing on the first two of the greatest importance right away. A new crop corn, we're kind of looking at price counts activating above 343 there. We've been able to hold a bit better, and that would activate the 355, 366, and 385 type price counts. So pay attention next week. Big week if we can put that together, possibly a couple week run into the June 30th report. If we get rain in the forecast, though, that could be the trump card that sets more of a bearish tone. So we'll keep an eye out and see what comes out with the forecast early next week. Feeder cattle down to the tune of 107.5 on the week, down 307.5. Live cattle down 75 on Friday, up 217.5, obviously led by the front contract that's trying to converge in on cash. Hog market down 45 on the day on Friday, weekly up 60 cents. Cash hogs, right around that $49 level, I should say, for the lean hog index. We are seeing some cash support. Pork cutout firming to some degree late week, and strong exports this week should help us at least stabilize near these recent lows. Getting ability to run though is going to take some significant long-term emphasis or focus that China demand is going to show up. That's a big thing here as we work ahead. On the cattle side of things, cash similar to 105 on the week. We were 98 to around 110. Dress trade 150 to 170 on the week. Box beef cutout continues to slide. Exports were very good this week. Feeder cattle right around that 130 with some cash trade near 134, a cash index near 134. So next week going to be a big deal for the cattle and hogs as well. Cattle are trying to hold their best here and not break down below this gap area. But again, we're violating that right now, and next week we need to see stabilization or else start activating some downside price counts. And likely the same can be made for hogs if we cannot hold these recent lows. This has been Jim Empter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss. It is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.